Translated, every time somebody tells you about you, they're actually telling you about themselves. Every time somebody tells you about you, they tell you, you are too intrusive. They're not telling you about you. They're actually telling you about themselves. They're saying, I have a boundary. I don't want to go there right now. I hear you asking for something that I am not interested in giving. But most people don't know how to speak from a place of self-responsibility and revealing themselves. Most people have a habit of feeling uncomfortable. Like if we could take that instance and, sort of expand it, you might be asking me for something and I have a no coming up in me. I can feel a resistance in me. And instead of saying, oh, as I hear you ask that, I notice this wariness coming up in me and I'm not really sure I want to go there right now, which would be me sharing me with you in an authentic way. If I'm not a conscious, open-hearted human, I'm going to say, oh, you're being a little intrusive. Now, the mistake you might make on the other side is taking that personally. Mm-hmm. So when you realize they're not telling you about you, you're not being intrusive, you're asking for something they don't want to give right now, and they don't know how to have that conversation differently, you can begin doing it in your head. Oh, intrusive simply means I'm asking for more than you're willing to give. Overanalyzing means, oh, I'm staying in my intellect and in my playground of the intellect longer than you're enjoying. They're only telling you about them. And you can start hearing it that way, that they're just in the best way they know how, speaking in code in kind of shitty ways. They're trying to show you who they are. And if you can learn to see it about just who they are and then learn to work with them as is, you're going to have much more fun than if you think that this is an authority figure seeing through you and giving you accurate data about how you are defective. That's not true.